Good morning, students. Today we're starting lesson 7.5, which is identify and write numbers 26 through 31. So let's warm up by counting. I'm going to have you count these numbers with me as I highlight them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. That's the number we're stopping at today, okay? So I have numbers all the way from 1 to 31. All right, we're going to continue practicing this with our base 10 blocks. All right, so today I'm starting from number 26. So I'm going to go ahead and get 26 on my board. I know 26 is 2 sets of 10. There's my 20. And then I have 6 extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the number represented down here with the digits 2 and 6. A 2 is in the tens place to represent that there are 2 sets of tens. A 6 is in the ones place to represent that there are 6 ones. Okay, so I'm going to keep counting up. As I count up, my ones position is going to change. The digit will change. So now I have 27, 28, 29. And what happens when I bring one more in? Well, that set of 9 becomes a set of 10, so they stack up, and now I have 3 sets of 10s and no ones, or 30. 10, 20, 30. 3 sets of 10s, bam, and no ones. Well, what if I wanted to get 31? Well, I would just take 1 and add it. So now I have 3 sets of 10 and 1 extra. 31, represented by the 3 in the tens column and a 1 in the ones column. All right, we're going to go ahead and practice these numbers on our math page. So you need to pull out pages 173 and 174. Okay, I hope you have your pencils ready to go. So we're doing lesson 7.5, identify and write numbers 26 through 31. If you look at our page today, it's a little bit different because up until this point, we have worked with 10 frames, and we've had 10 frames that are full with some extras. Well, today, we're doing these towers of 10s. These are our base 10s, and these are our connecting cubes that they're using, but they've used them in groups of 10 with some extras, okay? So we're going to look at this first set, okay? So here I have 2 sets of 10. And then I have some extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Okay? So 2 in my tens place and a 6 in the ones place, or the number 26. I can write that myself, a 2 and a 6. Moving down instead of across for some crazy reason. They're trying to keep us on our toes. Again, here's a set of 10. There's 1, and there's another. So there's my 10s. I have 2 sets of 10s. And how many extras do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 27. A 2 and a 7. Moving on, now I have 2 sets of 10 again. Here's one set, here's another. So that gives me 20. Now I'm going to count up from 20. So here's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 is represented by the 2 in the tens place and 8 in the ones. So this 2 represents the 2 towers of 10. The 8 represents the 8 extras. So I will write that 2 Okay, let's go up here. The number is 29. I'm going to trace it. And I know that 29 is represented by 2 groups of 10. Here's my groups of 10. 1, 2. And then 9 extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29. 2 groups of 10. 9 ones. Here, I just have groups of 10s. I don't have any extras. So, how many groups of 10 do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. I can count these by 10. So 10, 20, 30. 3 groups of 10. No zeros. No ones, rather. 3, 0. Now, I have the same group of 3 10s, but this time I have 1 extra down here. So I have 10, 20, 30, 1, 30, 1. 3 groups of 10, 1 extra. 31. Okay, turn your page over and let's do the back side together. This time they have given me a calendar and they have left some numbers on the calendar. So the easiest way to fill in this calendar is to start at 1 and just fill in the missing numbers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to come down. 5. What comes next? The number 6. So I need to fill in the 6 that's missing. Now 7, 8, 9. What's missing after 9? 10. Now 11 is here. 12, 13. What comes after 13? 14. Remember, it's 1 set of 10 and 4 ones. Got to make sure I write the numbers correctly. And then 15, and then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember, 20 is represented by a 2 and a 0. 2 sets of 10, 0 ones. Now I have 21. What would be next? 22. 23 is there. 24 would come after that. They give me 25. 26. I need to fill in 27. 28, 29, and then it'll be 30. That 3 sets of 10 and no ones, and then 31 at the end. But guess what? I am not done. They want me to color in all the numbers in the Tuesday column blue. So I have to go get a blue crayon. Here's my blue crayon. And now I need to look at the columns up at the top. The columns are labeled by the day. So Sunday, Monday, here's Tuesday. They want me to color all the numbers in the Tuesday column blue. So I need to just come down here. I'm just going to go over them with my blue. I think that's the best way to do this. Get some extra practice in writing those numbers. So I have 7, 14, 21, and 28. Okay, now they want me to grab a pink crayon. So let me grab my pink. And this time they want me to find the Thursday column. So I'm going over here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this time I need to color all these numbers pink. So 2, 9, 16, 23, and finally 30. Alrighty, so I've gotten all those traced with my pink. Now, the last thing they want me to do is they want me to find December the 25th, which is Christmas Day, and color it yellow. Well, that's a silly color to make Christmas. Let's do it green. So pull out your green and let's make a Christmas tree on December the 25th. Happy birthday, Jesus. Merry Christmas. Okay, you're all done with today's activities, so go ahead and finish up and put that away. Good work, and I'll talk to you on Monday.